Looking so yummy and nice. So guys, as you can see, it's just a simple little vegetarian dish.
It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, we're gonna give you a lovely fried up vegetarian dish, guys. Fried up, lovely and nice. Do you know the reason why? I have a little bit of spaghetti left back. I cooked too much spaghetti and I said, I'm not putting it in the bin. I can find something to do with it. You know, so I said I'm gonna make a lovely fried up spaghetti with some veg. You're gonna love this one. Nice recipe. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. It's amazing. I know tomorrow is Black Friday. You know, big shopping tomorrow. There's a 50% on the cooking book on Amazon. Get your copy. Visit the website at chefricardo.co.uk or chefricardocooking.com. That's the black website, and you can get the book also on the website. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, and thank you so much, guys, for all the requests and all what you've been asking from Chef Ricardo. There's a lot of recipe coming up very soon, guys. Liquor by liquor. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, right here I have a medium-sized stir-fry pan. Right here. And basically what we're going to do is pop roughly 2 teaspoons of olive oil inside of it. Just like that. Roughly 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Next thing what we're going to show you what you can do, guys, as I said before. I have some fine chopped white onion, which I'm already cut up. I'm just gonna simply put roughly a large spoon of white onion, 1 handful of mushroom. This is butternut squash. I'm already shredded it up. 1 handful of stripped butternut squash. Looking lovely and nice, as you can see right here. One handful of carrot. This is some stripped carrot. The only reason why you see my carrot and the butternut squash look like this is because normally you can get them just like this to buy, but you can do this at home if you like. But it takes time, guys. And also handful of pepper, red and green pepper. Give it a stir. And as you can see, the way this is looking so lovely so far and nice. Nice. So right there, that you can see that is almost ready. Put 1 handful of spaghetti inside of it like this. It's a vegetarian dish. Really nice and simple to prepare, as you can see. And also a pinch of paprika. Some paprika. This is garlic coriander seasoning. Just a little teaspoon. And also a pinch of soy sauce. You don't need to add any salt because all of these seasonings already have salt. Give it a stir. Give it another 5 more minutes and it's gonna be ready. Nice and lovely. As you can see, this is finished. But as you can see, it's looking so lovely and nice. It's a vegetarian dish. There's no meat inside of it. And as you can see, looking so lovely and nice. And as you can see, fried up spaghetti with vegetarian veg, butternut squash, carrot, sweet pepper, onion, and some mushroom. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice. So as you can see, I'm just gonna simple share it out and make you guys see exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with this vegetarian dish. Really nice and beautiful. So hopefully guys will enjoy it, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much
for watching my cooking show. And this is just a nice, lovely vegetarian dish. I love to make these kind of dishes, guys, because it is just really lovely, handy, and nice. And it's just some leftover spaghetti I have left, and I said to myself I can do something with this for the fans them, and because I respect you guys and I always want to make something for you. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Looking so yummy and nice. So guys, as you can see, it's just a simple little vegetarian dish. Spaghetti with a veg, mushroom, butternut and carrot, sweet peppers, and also some mushrooms. So guys, just enjoy it. Leave your comments if you think it's a nice, lovely vegetarian dish. Hopefully we can do better in the future ahead. So love you and see you next time, guys. Bye bye. Instagram and also Google Plus. So guys, follow me and get more idea. Don't miss out anything. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and remember, Christmas we have a lot of idea. Remember the Jamaican rum fruit cake and sorrel. So a lot of things is coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you the next time. Bye bye.